Thursday.
Klaus wanted me to deliver a message. The sacrifice happens tonight.
They swore they'd do anything to keep her safe.
I love you so much.
I can't lose you.
It's my life, Damon.
But one of them is about to make a choice
Close your eyes.
that will shatter their world.
Oh my God.
What did you do?
The red-hot CW series MTV called an action-packed, lust-filled, wild, sexy ride is building to an epic climax.
Get out of here. Go! I need you to do something for me.
Tonight is a full moon.
Klaus will kill you and everyone you've ever met.
The ritual will happen tonight. Be a good little vampire and don't screw it up.
You're gonna screw it up, aren't you?
The Vampire Diaries, all new this Thursday at 8/7 Central on the CW.